Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel guys. You're welcome. So guys, today is a very special one. Why? Because we closed the trading year in profit. We had a setback. I think that was last week on the 15th. Anyways, we had a setback. We had our first loss, trading back to back consecutive wins for over 2 months. So we took a hit about a week or 2 weeks now. However, we closed in good profits, right? Closed in very good profits. So I'm excited to be here with you, and I'm excited to share my knowledge as always. I'm excited to show you our trade opportunities, the ones we took, the ones we missed for the week, guys. And then this is a very special one because I'm preparing to go on vacation. However, my YouTube channel is going to stay active, right? So my mentorship groups are also going to be very active, guys. So nothing to worry about. I'll still be updating, posting educative content on my YouTube, so you can always come on my YouTube channel to get insightful information that would help you and take your trading to the next level. So I'm going to also be focusing on my Instagram account, focusing on growing our Instagram, Telegram, and other channels, right? So no more trading for the year. We closed in very good, significant profit. So it was an amazing week. Last week was also very beautiful week because I also traded my Naira accounts. I've not traded in Naira for a while, but then it felt good because I was using very little lot size, and of course I was seeing a whole lot of money in Naira, right? So that was fun. So let's get right into our chat and then begin what we're here for. So guys, without wasting your time, you can see that here this is Monday, right? Yeah, this is Monday. So we spotted an opportunity on Monday, and I'm going to be sharing that with you right now. So guys, as you can see here, the opportunity we shared actually started from the previous week Friday, right? We got like an inverse head and shoulder. Should I call it that? Yeah, we got like an inverse head and shoulder, even though this one was not so clear. I'm just still going to share it out here so you can see how we made money on Monday, right? So we had this pull to the downside, right? We had a push back up, got a push back down, got a push back up, and then upon this push back down, I realized that price was already making an inverse head and shoulder, right? So I shared this with my team, and then the plan was to take profit all the way here, right? But it didn't work out, so we hopped out somewhere around here. We took this profit here, this whole profit here, and then we hopped out of the trade because the sell was still very dominant. However, you know that an inverse head and shoulder pattern is a reversal pattern, so we felt like price was just going to use this pattern to reverse price all the way to the top side. However, it didn't work out like that, and we had to take partial profit on this trade. However, we still hit our daily targets, so that was a very good one to take here on Monday. And then guys, going into Tuesday, you could see that we're still trending to the downside, right? Price is still actually just consolidating and then moving to the downside. So what we did here on Tuesday was very easy. I just pulled out this rectangle, right? You can see that we have a support level around here, so this became my zone, right? So I was just waiting. Upon price coming into that zone, I was able to just catch this sell all the way to the downside. Right? So we took that, and then we're out of the market on Tuesday. Guys, last week was amazing week. So we took that sell off there, and then we were good, right? Then coming into Wednesday, we also got like a bit of stance level. You can see that we've been selling because structure had already been broken a long time ago, so we're just looking for selling opportunities. So coming into this Asian high, You can see how price traded. Let me just put this back up here. You can see we have this resistance area, right? So coming in here, price traded to the upside, pulled back, went back into this resistance area, and then we were able to catch this sell all the way to the downside. We were able to catch that sell all the way to the downside. So very beautiful, lovely setup, right? Using setup to, so we caught that trade on Wednesday, and then we're out of the market, guys. You just want to go in, take a chunk out of the market, and be out of the market. So you don't want to really hold your trade this period. I've already explained that. You just want to go in, take a bite, and be out of the market. So that was the setup that played out. Then we had to go into Thursday to see the possible trade opportunities that we're going to get on Thursday, right? And then coming into Thursday, we had something very spectacular that happened on Thursday. I'm going to be sharing that with you now. So guys, on Thursday we had like a triangle pattern that played out with a break to the top side. So I'm just going to be sharing that with you real quick. So guys, you can see that we had like a triangle formation, right? Now this was a very, 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 very lucky one for us to take, right? So I'm just going to be very sincere with you. This was a very, 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 very lucky trade. We could have taken a loss here, but I felt like price was we had been selling, and I was looking for a possible reversal of price to the upside. That's why we bought here on Thursday. You can see that the triangle formation actually broke to the top side, right? Broke to the top side, pulled back to test this level. So I was expecting a push up here. I was expecting a push to the upside. However, you can see what happened, and then we're able to just take partial profit around here and then pull out of this trade because price was beginning to reverse. So we just took some profit out of it, and then we're out of there. We did not even take much of that sell, right? Because you can see here from the downtrend that we were in, you can see that from the downtrend that we're in, price had already started to move to the upside. So we felt like, okay, price is just going to be going to the upside, and then price is practically trying to reverse to go up. So I was interested in taking a buy up from here, but then it didn't work out. We got a breakout, we got a retest, but then the buy was not so strong, and then it reversed. However, we took partial profit on this trade, and I was out of this trade on Thursday, guys. So you can see how we do it, how we just take profits as a day trader, how we just trade to take profit. So guys, coming into Friday, now this was just yesterday, I applied Fibonacci. This had to be a very patient trade to take because I woke up as always trying to get an opportunity to trade by say 8 a.m. UK time. However, we didn't get that opportunity, and we had to wait all until about 1 o'clock to get an opportunity. You can see here that price just traded to the downside here from the previous day, and then we got this pullback, and then I was interested in selling, so I took sells here, and then I made this, and I was out because I hit my daily target for Friday. So I was out of the market here. You can see we just took this one here, cut this sell here after getting this pullback. So we were able to catch this sell to the downside, and then that was how the week ended. You can see, so this is about 60 pips here. I think we caught about 60 pips on that. Not bad. So guys, It was a very, very, very easy, sweet, peaceful week for us. Didn't take any loss. You can see here on Monday we're able to just catch, let me clean up everything, and then we can just do this all over again, right? So I'm just going to share these opportunities again. Hopefully it can be clearer this time. So I'm just going to clean this all up. Just clean this up. Alright, so let's just do a quick recap and then call it a day. So guys, as you can see here on Monday we got something like this, upon price coming here we thought we were going to get a full reversal to the top side, so we entered here. This was our entry, and then we took profit all the way to the top side, and we exited around here because we got a reversal, so we took partial profit on that one. That was on Monday. And then coming into Tuesday, we just placed this triangle here to indicate that we had a resistance area around here, and then upon price coming in there we're able to just catch the sell to the downside here, right? This pullback to the downside. So that was how we traded on Tuesday, right? And then going into Wednesday we were able to also do the same thing because we're interested in selling opportunities. So coming into this Asian high, you can see we're also able to just catch this sell here to the downside. We're able to just catch this sell here to the downside, right? So that was what played out. Then coming into Thursday, you can see that we had like a bit of a triangle formation here, that formed all the way here, and then we caught this breakout to the upside. However, it wasn't so much, so we hopped out of that trade and then we stayed out of the trade. Why? Because it felt like the price was already trending to the top side, so we're more comfortable with buying than selling, right? So we just got a bit of that breakout and then that moved to the upside, and then we're out of that trade, right? And then coming into Friday, you can see we just plotted out our Fibonacci. Right, let me just plot it out. So we plotted out the Fibonacci. You can see plotting out this Fibonacci, you can see that our price was held at the 78.6 retracement level here. So we're just interested in catching that sell. That was just yesterday. So we caught this sell using our Fibonacci tool. Caught this sell here to the downside here, right? So it was an amazing week for us. We try to make profit on a daily basis. Guys. And the plan for next year is I plan to trade 100,000 MFF accounts. So I plan on picking an MFF account, $100,000 account, and we're all going to be trading it together, right, on a daily basis, and then growing it and trying to see how we can make profit at the end of the month, guys. So if you want to be a part of my mentorship, you can just send me a message. It's a paid mentorship group. You can send me a message. However, I also have a free group. If you're interested in just learning analysis, you can join my free group. But if you want to be a part of my mentorship, we have one-on-one mentorship where you have direct access to me, my knowledge. If you have direct you can call me for support, whatever you want, direct access to me and my mentorship, how I trade. You want to see the market through my eyes, you can just send me a message and I'll respond to you. I'll leave the link in the description box there so you can see how to be a part of my mentorship group. So guys, it's been an amazing year, right? So this is going to be the last weekly review that I'm going to be doing, because I'm not going to be taking any more live trades. So I'm just going to be focusing on my mentorship student. I'm going to be focusing on growing this YouTube page, and then guys, we also hit 1K views right here on YouTube. Amazing, right? Because it means that if you put in work, you're going to see results, right? Just like Forex, right? It's a beautiful skill. However, before getting this skill, you have to put in work, right? So YouTube is also growing. We're putting in work, we're getting results. So this vacation period, I'm just going to focus on growing the YouTube focus on our other channels, right? Focus on mentorship. So if you want to be a part of my mentorship, send me a message. There will be a link in the description box where you can use to join the free mentorship group. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, you can just click the like button and subscribe to the channel so you can get notified when we drop new content. Our contents are always very insightful and educative, right? So guys, you want to be a part of this journey, you want to be with us as we are growing from 1,000 to 2,000 to 10,000, guys. So it's been nice doing this video with you guys, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Peace out.